Hi, hope you are well. This is Ovi again. Actually, today we learn about how to use develop content on Affinity Publisher. If we use Adobe InDesign and also Affinity Publisher, then sometimes you face like that I face actually and develop content, and most of time I just mixed with Affinity Publisher and Adobe InDesign develop content. So let's check it how to use FT publisher and what is the common problem we actually I face. Okay, that's why I record this for me or also if someone get help from this video. So first of all, actually I just set a paragraph style, which is very well, no problem. So this is the on here master page. I just set the main title. So all are actually the implement the text style, no problem. Actually, right now, you just want to go to the table of content page, and here is the table of content page. I just write it with a text frame. So let's implement or import the table of contents. So here you can take a text box, and here you can go the text option, then to the insert table of content. Okay, so it's come like this way, no problem. We can hit on A and select the main title that we are actually is for text style. So click there. Here you can see the table of content are implement, but there are no numbering. So we want to the number and also the dotted on there. So here as a main title, there you can see a three line. There you can see a include page number. So you need to make sure check mark this, and here you can see automatically page number right now showing. Okay, so chapter and page number also showing right now. I just or we just want to dot it there. So it's look very professional. So let's see how we can actually make sure of it back so that it's there are no another space or something like this. So we go to the 3D line, and here is the edit option, TOC1, and here you can see actually there are many options, font, staging, color, decoration, position, and transform, language, something like this. But our the main target is steps, stops, okay? But there have nothing that we can actually wanted. This is very confusing at the first time if you want to going to use this. So here you can see a add a new tab section. So you need to select files. This one, and there you can see a dotted line. So if we use this, okay, and make sure click OK. Okay, but there are nothing. So let's check it again and go to the follow the right. What you can see there, you can see right now have the dotted line. So this is the things actually why we wanted. Okay. Okay, but there are have a problem actually. We have right indent. So go to again, and we see there have a indent. So make sure there are zero. Okay. So go again. I think 0.5 was the first one. Make sure this. Yeah. Right now this is very fine, I think. make sure, yeah, okay, yeah, that's it. Thank you.